welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a look at a vehicle that completely changes the way you think about road trips, family travel, and luxury transportation. The 2027 GMC Savana Explorer conversion van is here with a fresh design, premium comfort, and modern technology that turns every drive into a first-class experience. Whether you're planning cross-country adventures, running a VIP shuttle service, or simply looking for the ultimate family cruiser, this new conversion van is built to impress. Let's dive in and see why so many people are talking about it. At first glance, the 2027 GMC Savana Explorer conversion van maintains the strong and dependable look that has made the Savana a trusted name for years. However, the Explorer conversion package transforms it into something much more upscale. A redesigned front fascia, bold chrome accents, premium LED lighting, and stylish alloy wheels give the van a modern and luxurious appearance. The sleek body graphics and custom exterior trim make it stand out without being overly flashy. It has the commanding road presence of a full-size van, while delivering the refined style expected from a premium conversion vehicle. Step inside and you'll immediately notice that this isn't an ordinary passenger van. The cabin feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional vehicle. Plush leather captain's chairs provide exceptional comfort for every passenger, while custom stitching and premium materials elevate the overall atmosphere. Ambient LED lighting creates a relaxing mood during nighttime travel, and high-quality wood or carbon style accents add a sophisticated touch throughout the cabin. Technology is another major highlight. A large infotainment display offers seamless smartphone connectivity with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while multiple USB charging ports keep everyone's devices powered during long journeys. Depending on the configuration, passengers can also enjoy a large overhead entertainment screen, premium surround sound system, wireless charging, and built-in Wi-Fi capability. Climate controls are available for both front and rear passengers, ensuring that everyone enjoys a comfortable ride regardless of the weather outside. Storage and versatility remain key strengths of the Savana. The spacious interior provides generous room for passengers and luggage, making it an excellent choice for vacations, airport transportation, business travel, or weekend camping adventures. Flexible seating arrangements allow owners to customize the cabin to fit their specific needs, whether that's maximizing passenger capacity or creating additional cargo space. Under the hood, the 2027 GMC Savana Explorer conversion van is expected to continue offering reliable V8 power, delivering strong performance for highway cruising, towing, and carrying heavy loads. The engine is designed to provide smooth acceleration while maintaining the durability that GMC owners have come to trust. An upgraded suspension system improves ride quality, making long-distance trips quieter and more comfortable than ever before. Enhanced steering and braking systems also contribute to greater confidence behind the wheel. Despite the van's full-size dimensions, safety has also received significant attention. Advanced driver assistance features such as automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, and a high-definition surround view camera system help make every journey safer for both drivers and passengers. These technologies work together to reduce driver fatigue and improve overall confidence on busy highways and crowded city streets. As for pricing, official numbers have not been confirmed yet, but industry expectations suggest the 2027 GMC Savana Explorer conversion van will start around 85,000, with higher-end luxury configurations exceeding 110,000 depending on customization options and equipment. While it represents a significant investment, buyers receive a vehicle that combines the practicality of a full-size van with the comfort and premium features of a luxury SUV. The 2027 GMC Savana Explorer conversion van proves that spacious transportation doesn't have to sacrifice style, technology, or comfort. It delivers an exceptional blend of luxury, capability, and versatility that few competitors can match. If you're searching for a vehicle that makes every mile more enjoyable, this could easily become one of the most exciting conversion vans to watch. Let us know in the comments if you would choose this luxury van for your next adventure, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews.